Hi guys, welcome to E-Electrical. My name is Tushar. In the previous videos, we have seen the definition of a transformer and the need of a transformer. But in this video, we are going to see the basic working principle of a transformer, which is going to be very interesting. So don't skip until the end. Working principle of a transformer. Transformer works on the principle of mutual induction. Here, I need to define what is mutual induction. The principle of mutual induction states that when two coils are inductively coupled and change of current in one coil causes an induced EMF in the other coil placed near to the first coil. So, what is saying? Suppose I am placing two coils together without having any electrical connection between them, then this is called as inductively coupled. Let's understand it by diagrammically. Consider two coils and one of the coil is excited by an AC supply and it will generate magnetic flux around it, and the second coil is placed near to the first coil, then EMF is induced in the second coil. This concept is called mutual induction. So what happened basically, that I will explain with the basic diagram of a transformer. It is like this. So in this diagram, this is a core. The core provides path for magnetic flux. This coil or winding is called primary winding and this coil or winding is called secondary winding. Now how to decide primary and secondary winding? Wherever there is a supply connected, that coil is called as primary winding, and wherever load is connected, that coil is called as secondary winding. Now because of AC supply, current will pass through this. This current will give rise to magnetic flux which will pass through this magnetic core like this. So this is a magnetic flux phi, will cut the secondary winding and EMF is induced in the secondary winding. If I connect secondary winding to load, and current will pass through this secondary side also. Here we have seen what is the working principle of a transformer, and that is nothing but mutual induction. Mutual induction is nothing but getting EMF at the secondary side because of supply at the primary side. And this is what the concept of mutual induction, which is nothing but working principle for a transformer. Now we will see the symbolic representation of a transformer. The symbol will be like this: magnetic core, load, AC supply, primary number of turns N1, secondary number of turns N2. This is primary side and this is secondary side. Remember, transformer works only on AC and the output frequency of the transformer is same as that of the input frequency. Thank you.